Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can unpin someone's chat on Messenger. It's super easy. Let's get started. To do this, you have a good internet and then open your Messenger and logged into your account. Once you logged in, you will see this chat box option over here. So you will see on the top your friend or like the person that you have pinned previously. So you want to unpin that person, and you have to do is swipe left, and then you will see three options over here: more, unpin, and archive. Simply click on the center one, unpin, and then it's going to be unpin, and it will be randomly placed when the persons or like the people texts you, so they will arrange on the time. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.